Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to teach you the date and functions in Excel. Let's start Excel. In this video, we'll see the date function. Today, day, month, similarly the year. Year, now, second, but not seconds, because whenever we write the function name, we use the singular names for function names. Minute and hour. First of all, we will see the date function. Whenever we use date function, we have to pass three arguments to it. That's year in number, month and day. And what it gives me, what it returns, it actually returns the number which represents the date in the datetime code in Excel. We can say it can return the date in Excel format. Like for example, if I am having day, month and year, and I want to concat it to a date. For example, if I am having 27 as the day and month as 4 and year as 2020, I can concat it using ampersand also and the concat what is that known as function, but that is a little bit different than date, because date actually says that whether the number in day is exceeding the limit of the day or not. For example, we can have 30 or 31 days in a month, so it will not accept 32 and 33 or the negative numbers. But in concat, we can concat the negative numbers and the numbers which are more than 30 and 31. For example, if I'll concat these things, I'll concat what is that known as day and month and the year, that is F2. So it will give me 27 for 2020. I can concat some symbols in it. So this will be the date. But what will happen if I'll write 32 below the day? So it will return me 32 for 2020, which is not possible. So in place of concating, I'll use date function. I have to pass first of all the year that's in F2. After that, and I'll pass no special character. I'll pass month, that's in E2. After that, I'll pass day, which is in D2. So it will return me, it is 2nd of May 20 and 2/5/20. So this is the date in Excel format. Now we'll see what today is doing. Today is actually the function in which I pass no argument, but it will give me the current system date and time. Current system date and time, if we need the current system date as the label, we can use the keyboard shortcut like Control and colon. If we want the current system time as the label, we can use the keyboard shortcut like Control Shift and colon. But these are just the labels. That means these cannot get updated if we open the same worksheet like tomorrow or day after tomorrow. But if you like that thing that we want to update the date accordingly, for example, today is 27th of April 20, and if you'll what is that known as open the sheet like tomorrow, it should be 28th of April 20. For that we'll use today function. We simply write today having no parameters, having no arguments. That means we write nothing between the two parentheses and just hit enter. It will give me the date. For example, if I'll change the date from here, and similar reflections will be similar things will be reflected over here. Similar what is that known as changes will be reflected over here. Now we'll go through date, month and year. Day function is used to extract actually the day from the date, because we don't know the Excel format. That means we don't know whether the date is at first position or second position or third position. Mostly these are at first position and second position, but I don't know how the Excel is going to format the date. So I cannot extract using left, right or mid functions. I can use day function to extract the actual date from the date. Sorry, to extract the day from the date. For example, if I'll write day from this thing, so it will give me 2. That means it is second day. But if I'll write month from this thing, it will give me 5. That means it is 5th month. And if I'll write what is that, the year from this thing, it will give me 2020. Now we have to go through now second, minute and hour functions. These are similar like that of the day, today, day, month and year. But the difference is that today, day, month and year actually deal with dates, but these functions deal with the time. For example, today was giving me the current system date. Similarly, now will give me the current system time. For example, if I'll write now having no parameters, it will give me date and time. It is 27/4/20 and time is 5:14. And if I'll extract the seconds, minutes and hours from this date and time step, I can use the functions like second to extract the seconds from the date and time step. I can, yes, when I press enter, this thing gets updated because it is actually containing what the it is actually containing the function. It is not the label. I can use minute function to extract the minutes, and I can use what hours to get the hours from what the yes I can use what hours to get the number of hours from the date and time step. If I'll press F9, this thing gets updated. I am pressing the F9 continuously and this thing is getting updated, but this is not getting updated because till the date will not change, so this label will not change. Hope you may have understood this. If you do have any question, you may ask us in comment section below. We'll try to solve that by making these simple videos, inshallah. Till then, keep us in your prayers. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.